Okay, this is 1 Tower Street, Manly. This is our EVDB. As you can see, there is 11 units here. So 11 chargers. That's the wiring system which goes off and will be in another video. That's the data cabling which comes up to our data rack with a switch to all the chargers, patch panel, 4G modem for internet, and up there is a PoE switch for 2 APs in the car park, which all runs down and through the rear and off to the car park. This is the LMS, Load Management Controller. Currently, okay, 11, 12, 4, 5, not much power being used in the building, so plenty for the chargers. And that is up there, measured, incoming. That's our little breaker for the LMS. Alright, that's pretty much video 1. See you soon.